after his return from Japan, Rabindranath Tagore brought out English versions of his own Bengali originals named Stray Birds. Stray birds of summer come to my window to sing and fly away, and yellow leaves of autumn, which have no songs, flutter and fall there with a sigh. Subham Chowdhury is a passionate photographer. He loves to capture little buddies nesting outside his window or travel all the way to obscure places in search of them. From rose-ringed parakeet to a streak-throated woodpecker, from a lesser golden bag to a brown shrike, he has introduced us to a plethora of feathered friends through his lens. We are presenting some of his amazing clicks on this occasion of week-long Rabindra Jayanti celebration. In the background, we have a song sung by me, that is Ananya Sasaru. As for the song, we are all acquainted with the famous Koto Baro Bhebechinu that was written in 1885, and the tune was adapted from yet another song called Drink to Me Only with Thine Eyes by the famous English poet Ben Jonson as the verse to Celia, published in the year 1616. The words of this poetry were almost literal translation of the verse Letters 33 of the collection named Letters, written by the Greek poet Philostratus of 3rd century. The lyrics of the Tagore song are very different compared to the original, and there is still some confusion about the composer of music for this one. One source mentions Colonel R. Mellish, and the other source points to our very own Mozart. Well, enjoy the song as you glimpse through the pictures.
Drink to me only with thine eyes, and I will pledge with mine. Only a kiss within the cup, and I'll not ask for wine. A thirst and from the soul that rise, that ask a drink divine. But my diet just nectar sip, I would not change for thine. কতবার ভেবেছিনু আপনা ভুলিয়া, তোমার চরণে দিব হৃদয় খুলিয়া। কতবার ভেবেছিনু আপনা ভুলিয়া, ভেবেছিনু মনে মনে দূরে দূরে থাকি, চির জন্ম সঙ্গোপনে পুজিব একাকী। কেহ জানিবে না মোর গভীর প্রণয়, কেহ দেখিবে না মোর অশ্রুবারিচয়। আপনি আজিকে যবে শুধাইছ আসি, আপনি আজিকে যবে শুধাইছ আসি, কেমনে প্রকাশি কব কত ভালোবাসি। I send the letter rosy red, not so much honoring thee, as giving it a hope that there it could not withered be. But thou thereon didst only bring and sends it back to me. Since when it grows and smells, I swear, not of itself but thee. Drink to me only with thine eyes, and I will pledge with mine. Only a kiss within the cup, and I'll not ask for wine. The thirst that from the soul doth rise, doth ask a drink divine. But